News 19 having the chance to speak one-on-one with the executive director of the state's Department of Juvenile Justice. It's the first time we have spoken with her since an updated audit of the agency was published. That report, though, focusing on what changes have been made over the last 2 years and also some suggestions when it comes to improvement. Our Cassidy Byer has this report tonight.
The hardest thing is still, I think, attracting overall quality, competent staff who really truly care about the outcomes of and to improve the outcomes of youth.
Executive Director of South Carolina's Department of Juvenile Justice, Hendrick, says finding employees who want to help the lives of our youth has been an obstacle they've yet to overcome.
Everywhere from, a cook all the way up to executive staff, like you have to have belief in the mission and you have to have the ability to accomplish that mission.
In 2017, a House panel ordered the Legislative Audit Council to look into DJJ due to concerns about safety and financial issues and whether DJJ was meeting its mission for juveniles in custody. A second audit was done in 2021 and an update came just last month. That latest update says DJJ has done a better job of improving security and employee pay, but said the agency still needed to improve medical care for juveniles at state facilities.
And again, it's kind of hard that this is an audit from 2021 based on an audit from 2017. And so much has changed since then. So it's kind of hard to even talk about what the whole original goals for all of this were.
Hendrick became head of the agency in May of 2022, at a time she describes as the perfect storm of events.
We had raised the age, COVID, and then the DOJ all at once. And so it was just like a really bad storm that we're still recovering from. So two things kind of came together, and then you throw in COVID, and it was just, it's a mess that we're still trying to get back to, creating safe environments for rehabilitation.
Hendrick says while staffing is at its highest it's been in a long while, asking state lawmakers for more funding to aid employee satisfaction and address facility upkeep is harder than some believe it to be.
With our JCOs, almost to capacity for our funding for what we can have. Of course, we've never been in that position before, which is great, but the problem is there's still, and I'm going to be honest, significant turnover, which is why I can't ask for more funding for FTEs.
Hendrick says the end goal is to modernize the agency and transform the state's juvenile justice system with their available resources. She says she wants to focus it on rehabilitation and plans to visit other states' juvenile justice departments to see how they've made similar changes.
It is a very correctional-based system we have, and so I would really like to look around the country and see what other states are doing in terms of real juvenile justice work and try to kind of transform our system, if that means through statutes or internally, whatever we can do to move forward in that direction.
Cassidy Byer, News 19, WLTX.
Cassidy,